What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're going to take you across the border in San Diego. The first crossing we're going to do is in San Ysidro. Okay, so we're going to cross the border into Mexico from San Diego at the San Ysidro border crossing. Then I'm going to go into Tijuana, show you what it looks like getting the taxi, heading down to the central area, the downtown area. And then I'm actually going to go down to Cabo San Lucas, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to cross the border again after I land in Tijuana. So right now I'm riding the California Coaster, and I'm actually getting off at Santa Fe Station, and now we go to the Americas station. So you can get this tram all the way from downtown San Diego to the international border. So I came over here and I got a compass pass. You go right here and you get the regional 1 day, and then you say I don't have one, or if you do have one, you get that, but I didn't have one. So $6 plus $2 came out to $8 total. So this station here is actually called America Plaza, right in downtown. It's next to the Santa Fe Depot, which is right there. You can see it's so close. So on the weekends, it goes every 15 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that, to San Ysidro, which is basically where the border is. And then on the weekdays, it's every 7.5 minutes, I think he said. So just figured I'd throw that in there. So we're on the blue line, and we're going down here, San Ysidro. San Ysidro. You got a Greyhound, and you got the Customs right there. And I guess you just go up this ramp. You can see this ramp right here. I think that's going to be exactly where you enter into Mexico. So you just go up this ramp here. What we got going on over here? It's just that easy. You just right through there and you're in Mexico. Alright, so after a little bit of questioning, ID card, and I'm here. Wow, alright. So far it's just big walk. Alright, so you just come out here, you're walking over there. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yes. Follow.
All right. Are you the driver?
Yes.
Okay.
Es un señor que está ahí de camino por nada. A las 6 de la tarde.
Taxi with my friend. Okay. Border. You can even see the wall right there. All right, just to recap everything you just saw, the tram from downtown to the San Ysidro border crossing took about 40 minutes. Okay, the tram did get more congested as we got closer to the border. Now, once I crossed the border from that station, it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to get to those taxis. Obviously, I was bringing along a baggage, so that might have taken more time too. Wow, busy. To drive in back into the States. It's like American prices. I mean, over $200 for this room here at the Hilton, or Marriott actually. As far as the view goes, I mean, that's what I get. So, but it's a nice hotel. It's newer. It's Fairfield Inn. Anyway, I'm gonna go back out onto the road now. Really good sign of Baja Norte. Alright, so this is a plaza next to my hotel. So we've got a restaurant here and some plastic surgery or dental stuff for those of you who are coming down here for that. My sister was telling me that that's a big thing. She says people come down here for that. But I'm not down here for that. This is not what I'm here for. But this is basically the hotel zone. I'm gonna get some food now. All right, it's the next day. I am currently en route in an Uber from downtown Tijuana to the airport to fly to Cabo San Lucas. And this is where I'm going to show you how to do the cross border crossing in Tijuana. So it's called CBX Cross Border Xpress. It's actually over there to the left, where baggage claim is. All right, so here I am in San Jose del Cabo. I'm getting ready to go to the airport at 10 o'clock to go pack across the border to Tijuana. All right, so here I am at the Los Cabos airport in San Jose going to Tijuana. We shall see how this works crossing the border in the Otay Mesa. Valaris. Big deal. tickets here for the CBX kiosk. Should be interesting. So it's 450 pesos to do it. So they give you this code here, and it's 450 pesos, which I think is around $25 thereabouts. But you got to also fill out an FMM form. I'm here in baggage claim picking up my bags, and then we'll head over there and see if it works out the way they say it does. Okay, here's the line. We'll see how long it takes to go through this line. It's kind of long for a Friday night at midnight. Okay, so they needed my ticket, boarding pass, and then the 450 peso item. So I did all that. Well, let me clarify. This is the USA Mexico border. Let's go over here. I think this is actually the land bridge, or the bridge that goes over the border here. I think that's where we're headed. Two flights of escalators here. They do have an elevator, thankfully. Looks like they try to sell you some stuff here as you cross the bridge. But yeah, let me clarify some stuff here. There was so your boarding pass and the CDX or CBX voucher. So this is it so far. All right, so now I think we're on the U.S. side. It takes about maybe 3 to 4 minutes to get to the point that I'm at here. This looks like we're headed onto the flat ground again. They do have elevators over here, but here we come into the immigration area to check into the United States Sentry, U.S. Customs Border Patrol. No cameras here. Okay, so the whole process just basically 10, 15 minutes, even on what appeared to be busy. They just had so many lanes open, and everything went fast, even though there was a lot of people. So now we're just going to see what the transportation situation looks like getting to downtown San Diego. Bus, shuttle, taxi, Uber, Lyft. It's actually midnight right now. So this is the actual building, and there's the Tijuana airport right over there. And you can see the fence. Border wall. So I'm looking on Lyft and Uber at 12 o'clock and I don't see much. I might just actually hit up this taxi cab right here and see what he's got. But yeah, they say they have a shuttle and a taxi, Uber, Lyft, but it's just kind of what it looks like. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Watch some more of our other videos from Mexico and California.